Okay, welcome back. In this part we are going to style these cards so that we have a grid system like this. Okay, let's go here. We will have a wrapper div here for our cards. We would call it grid system, and we will put these inside, and the rest will be just CSS. Let's go here. Let's define our app as a grid and place the content in the center and give it a minimum height of 100%. For our grid, we can say that display is grid, and we need to have a 4x4. So like this for the columns and the same for the rows. Let's give it a gap of, let's say, 15 pixels and some width. I think this is enough, and some margin to the top like this. Next part is the cards. Let's give them some width, let's 150 pixels, and the cursor should be a pointer, and let's put the position to relative so that later when we place this back on top of this card, then we can position it absolute. Let's give those images a 100 pixel 100% width and height. So yeah, as you can see, now we have the grid system in place. So if we go here, this is the card, this is the front, and this is the back. Awesome, cool. So while here, let's give some style to the HTML and body, like the background and the margin and everything. Okay, I'd like to add this font as well, so let me grab the Google fonts. This is the Google fonts that I'm using. You can use whatever font that you like. I would just grab these and import it here, and then to use it we would do something like this in the app. So here, and if we go back here, we don't have any font, but if we had a font, then it would be shown as this. Okay, so this is about the grid system that we have already in place. In the next episode we will talk about the cards and how to reveal them, so to say. Thank you for watching, and see you in the episode number 3.